This is Ethan. He's made over $1.5 million trading meme coins, and today I'm challenging him to a live trading battle. But here's the twist. We can only use 2 Solana each, and we've just got 2 hours to trade. This is exactly the kind of setup most people actually use, not the huge portfolios you see from other KOLs and memecoin YouTubers. We are both sharing our strategy and thought process in real time, so you can see exactly how we trade. Let's try to make some money. Our 2 hours start now. I created a brand new wallet for this challenge, sent exactly 2 Solana to it. I'll leave this wallet address in the description, so if you want to check all the trades, you are welcome to do so. I'm not going to use this wallet outside of the challenge, so all the coins that have been traded today are going to be visible on Sol scan of this wallet. I also asked Ethan to create a brand new wallet because his main wallet is being heavily tracked, so I want to make this experiment as fair as possible.
In this video, we're going to be trading with Cupsy and DV, who are some of the best traders on chain. So you guys are going to get to hear their comms, given they're going to be putting in a lot more than 2 Sol in their trading. All right, Solana trading challenge, create wallet. Bang, it's created. Now I'm going to be funding it from my main wallet. And yeah, so trading challenge funded 2 Sol. Let's go.
All right, I guess I'm going to be scalping new pairs as always, because with only 2 Solana, realistically, in 2 hours, we can only make money in new pairs. I mean, unless we're really lucky and we get like a huge runner. Realistically, just for this video, we need to risk a bit more money. And obviously, if you're trading meme coins, make sure you only trade with the amount of money you're comfortable losing, because meme coins are risky. Nikita Boar. Okay, I'm sorry. Man, who makes these pictures? It doesn't even look AI. That's the problem. Someone actually opened fucking Photoshop and decided to create this picture, you know? Okay, guys, whatever. As long as we make money today, I'm happy. What is the coin even about? With cash tags producing over 1 billion of... Okay, I'm not even gonna read it. It didn't catch my attention from the start.
For our first, couple coins, we're gonna be just very GD. Also, something you guys are gonna notice is I'm an incredibly patient trader, especially now. Oh, wait, Monet. Buy this first one because I know it's dead, so maybe someone will bite. Please. Okay, we lose 0.02 on each buy. That's okay. 1.9, yeah, 0.3. I can do that. Okay, is this insane? Okay, let's see if I can get like a 2x off of this. I'm up 22% already. Oh no, now they're watching supply. I'm gonna have to get out quick. Okay, this is just not moving. Took our first loss. We're at 1.84 already. It's not very good. Minus $10.
This where is the airdrop coin is looking extremely appealing to me at the moment. Pumpfun's Instagram got hacked and the hackers just posted this. Alan's profile pic with the where is the airdrop bandana. Oh wow. Yeah, should have done less stalking. Should have at least thrown in 1 Solana because I found this coin at around 50k. Should we top blast this? Because honestly, the narrative is huge. The narrative can go to 300, 400k easily. You know what? This dip looks good. There's a micro dip at the moment. Okay, there's no more micro dip. Is there even such a word? Micro dip. 1 Solana in. Wow, what was that? How the fuck is my average entry 150k? Okay, never mind. I definitely think that the coin has 200k potential, so I will not touch it at all. I'll set a limit order for 200k. Actually, no, I'll set a limit order for 250k. Maybe I'm too delusional. Maybe I believe in this narrative too much, but I think it will do well. And then we create a stop loss at 85k. Okay, that's done. Let's forget about this coin and play around with the Solana we have left. Bruh. Our stop loss failed. Astonishingly shitty play. But never mind. We still have more than enough left to overturn this. Like 1 hour and a half. So let's continue. I fucking told you that this coin has 200k potential. But my stop loss ruined everything. It's risk management, guys. But sometimes it works against you. 215k already. I'm pretty sure that 250k is really close. So let's just forget about this coin. Let's just move on.
We're literally only buying new pairs here. I feel very nimble with this low port. I feel like I can buy any coin and not be noticed like this. And this is a rug, so I need to sell immediately. Oh, well, they're sending it without me. Huh. Maybe that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spam because I'm not really losing that much if I'm just taking chances on these insta volume coins. So if something does insta bomb or go crazy, then that's a good cook off of us, you know? Come on, bro. Please be not LARP. Oh, this is another full bundle. What are these guys doing? Oh, they're still sending it. Look at these. Oh my God. Yeah, if you're seeing all of these wallets funded by the same person or red or whatever, it's just don't even buy that because you're going to get wrecked. Okay, let's get Susanito. I feel like let's chuck a little bit in. Oh, I just caught a nice little bottom bid there. Hopefully bottom. Oh, look at that. We're already at 50%. We're up our losses. Maybe one just nice little bid. Okay, 1 candle so I could just clip out my initials on this. Yeah, there you go. Just like that. 0.25, $25. Let's get it. Come on, something. Oh no. Please. Uh-oh. No. Oh, Nitro. Come on. No. No! All right, we just got drilled. Oh my god, DV just bought it. Oh, that's so unfortunate, bro. Literally on our head. Wow. So we just gave away the profits we made up here. I think I'm going to just take these profits then. I don't want to be like down too hard. So whatever, we made 0.15 on that and then we just took a loss. At least we have the good idea, right? Like we had the idea. We just got derailed. Oh, Dream Coin. Just gonna vamp. Hopefully it vamps. They love vamping. They're not gonna do it now. This is a scary guy. This is a scary place to buy. I just feel like some tracker wallet would want to vamp here. I don't want to hold this. Damn, guys. We are not performing that well, are we?
9 Shiba Inus. What is this? Today we rescued 9 Shiba Inus from breeding facilities, funded entirely by Dogecoin. This sounds interesting, actually. How's it funded by Dogecoin, though? I mean, the narrative is really cute, especially this. A meme saving the very dog it was based on. You know what? Let's just throw in 0.6. 0.6 into this 9 Shiba Inus coin. There were some vamp coins of this coin. However, this one is OG. And I guess if this narrative is gonna run, it's gonna be this coin. Not much action at the moment. Not much action at all. Yeah, we got some action, but downward action. So let's cut our losses and move on. Not the greatest start. Already down 0.7 Sol. 1 Solana into this Mahina coin. Okay, it's getting some action. It's a white whale recreation coin. It's based on an Instagram post from Ocean Station. And we're up on this coin already. 0.3 Solana. 0.5 Solana. Let's sell 50% here. Another 50 here. And 100 here. All right, we're pretty much back in the game. We made 0.5, almost 0.5 Solana from this coin in like 2 minutes. I was seeing decent volume. The narrative is not that great, to be honest. But because this whale is actually extremely rare, only 1 in 40,000 humpbacks are born with this lack of pigmentation, I decided to try it out.
Merla. Oh my god. Oh my god, we just made 0.6 and I cheated insta. Wow. I first CX Merla, by the way, and I only made 0.6 because I insta-cheated. Wow, guys. Okay, we made 0.6. We're in profit now. We're up 0.3. Let's go. And you saw that was pure skill. We just sold too early, but also, like, it's been tough right now. Damn, guys, we actually had so much progress with that cook. We could have made so much money. I'm so mad. But at least we're up. We were down for a minute. Survive. Come on. Oh, this is a rug. Okay, I'm out. See, you can always tell with these funding wallets, but on new pairs, you can't tell, so you have to be quick with it. Now we're back to 2.07. Oh, no. Come on, honest dev. Feed me, dude. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. There we go. It's a 20% gain right there. Yeah, literally no motion. Okay, I'm going to take my 0.1 Sol. All right, back to 2.15. 15 bucks. That was nice. MTG. Oh, this is such a bad chart. Oh, it's drilled again. Cool, dude. I'm out. Wow, I should just exit on that save. I cannot be affording to take those losses. Back to 2. What's the sniffer? Sniffing all active wallets. Let's play. Oh no. Oh no! No! Maybe back up to... Oh my god, maybe. Oh my god, maybe. No! I'm gonna sell here. Just take my loss. And now we're back to under where we started. We just erased all our progress.
It's cooked, dude.
Just got rugged again!
Bro.
Now we're at 0.6. Oh, we just lost 0.4. That's bad. We're down our quick buy. Okay, come on.
A total of 5 chances to make money today. That's it.
Oh, it's gonna just...
Wasn't even on for like...
Come on, no one buys these! Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'm exiting there. Oh, bullish coin. Buy. Bang. Get assaulted. Oh.
Alright, bro.
This is bad. We're
No,
down
sorry,
to
I was typing. Yeah, I am.
From what I see in my Discord, pumpfun's IG got hacked and the hacker is threatening them. So the hackers are claiming to have Ellen's DMs with OnlyFans girls. I mean, okay, this might be LARP, I'm not gonna lie, but what is this? Come Dubai, Habibi, I give you some soul. That's crazy. That is crazy. I mean, realistically, this one was the first one. This is the one that we bought first. This is the OG coin of this hacked Instagram narrative. And if he goes live anywhere, this will fly to 1 million. Easy. It might be LARP. It is probably LARP. So let's just move on. We don't have time for this drama. It's too toxic for me. Subscribe. I'm getting so many questions about my new trading platform. I'm trading on a new platform. It's actually unreleased. It's an invite only. It's called Change.com. Link in the description. It will instantly unlock access and you'll get 20% of all trading fees, which is 2 times more than Axiom. And yeah, if we're comparing it to Axiom already, because I'm always getting comments like this guy's asking, why do you switch from Axiom? Guys, first of all, Change.com is faster than Axiom. And in Memecoin, speed is everything. The faster you are, the better you are. And obviously another advantage is that I can give you huge fee discounts. I think now you understand why I'm using this platform. platform. Enough talking. Let's continue our session. Let's throw in 1 Solana into this DAT coin. This can go well or not. I decided to quickly try it, but not worth the risk. But you see it recovered to my initial buy, so should have held, but doesn't matter. Yeah, the narrative was pretty fun. So the police asked the little girl to draw a sketch of her dad for the police to find her missing dad, and this is what she drew. It's getting some views according to this post, but I didn't hold this because I didn't see the links, because usually you see the TikTok links, Instagram links. I can only see this post from this Chinese or Japanese channel. I'm really curious how Ethan is doing at the moment, because I am not doing well at all. Yeah, and this coin ended up performing. So I'm just selling really early today. I guess I have to adjust that. I have to hold the next coin for a bit longer. But the good thing is that I'm spotting these narratives today. Now, my radar is not broken. It just needs to be adjusted a bit, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, we just made 0.2. Honestly, I'm gonna take that. We were down too bad. I have to take a 2x there. Claude. Oh, this is decent, no?
Yeah.
Okay, we're up a soul. I'm gonna take my initials up here. Okay, bang. Okay, we did 0.5. That's good. That's a 2x. That's a 2x. Back to 2.1. Okay, guys, we just need something. One more to get us up. We have 40 minutes left. And we're up 0.1, $10. At least we're not down, guys. Oh, wait, this is a rug, right? Inferior. Oh, wait, this is, sorry, a vamp. Oh, I'm just gonna get drilled. I'm gonna touch. Oh my god. I'm back to 2. Literally on the dot. We were so slow. Pump cup. Come on. Oh no. Yeah, I'm out. Wait, this is grind. Oh, the second group will grind. Oh, that's actually pretty good. It's never been done. Oh yeah, this is good. And now we're down 0.1 because these fees are just eating me up. I just want to end this with +1 soul. That would be like satisfying. At first I was saying 5, but I didn't think I'd be taking these many losses and getting murked so often. 0.1!
Bro, let's just try to get bullish.
Again!
I'm actually what's it HDN? You can
wait, we got filled at 10k. I'm taking that.
When I first started playing Fort,
so happy.
My name was literally "You're Easy, Kid."
Wait, let's just say, holy shit, that was a close one. Maybe I had 3 buy down here. Maybe this is a gem. Actually, I'm gonna buy more.
I don't know.
I'm clipping on that. We're so back. Maybe we just hold this and let it play through. Wait, I might just be in a cook. We're up a soul. Okay, good. We're gonna just slowly clip out on here, but I think it could bond. So we're back to literally 2 soul. I don't think it's gonna go to 0 anymore. Oh, that was bad. Oh no. Should I exit here? I might just take my profits here. 50 bucks. Yeah, I'm taking on this. Damn, we were up so fat. We were up a soul. Oh, I got so greedy. Okay, at least we made some money back. We're up 0.4. We're up like $50, 2 hours. That's still more than McDonald's. Oh my god, they bonded FOMO. No. Oh, that's so bad. Now it's gonna get attention and FOMO buys. Yeah, I just knew it. That is so unfortunate, guys. Damn. Skip the bottom. Come on, skip the bottom. This is literally break even. Oh no. No! 2.34. I'm gonna crash out.
Okay, let's sell 50%, 25%. You know what? Just everything here. I'll just sell everything here. Just look how we bounced back. We made 100 bucks just from this coin. And I'll explain right now why I bought into this coin. We bought in with 1 Solana. I'll explain exactly why I bought into this coin. So first of all, there was this ship on the Strait of Hormuz. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Strait of Hormuz. Hormuz. I don't know, guys. Drop a comment. Tell me how you pronounce it. But yeah, it was an Indian ship. And as we all know, there is a meme with this Indian guy screaming, "Do not redeem, do not redeem." Apparently, there was a leaked audio from a captain that was screaming, "Do not fire, sir." And they made the whole meme out of it, saying that it sounds like the guy is saying, "Do not redeem." And why I bought this coin? First of all, it made sense. It should make sense to people. The OG coin is this Sanmar Herald coin. Why is the name Sanmar Herald? No clue. I guess my time is up.
Okay, Jin, come on. Okay, good. We're risk-free now. This is Elon's Steam account, June. Oh my god, this is so good. For our last trade, we're up literally so fat. Okay, this should bond. All right, whatever, I'm off. I'm gonna take out 0.4. I'm gonna take out 0.4. Okay, wait, that is generational. That means we're at 0.7 Sol without cashback. You guys would be up like 40% more or 30% more because you would have had cashback.
A quick recap. I bought this DAT coin at 10k. Now it's at 100k, so a 10x. Bought the white whale at around 30k. Now it's at 100k. My execution today was not really good. My stop loss on this coin was extremely shit. I didn't want to risk too much because it was my first coin of the day, my first coin of the challenge, but it ended up reaching 313k. And if you remember, my take profit was at 250k, so it would have triggered. And if we made our stop loss a bit lower and we stuck to our original plan, we would have made some money. So yeah, still in the green, cannot complain. Obviously 0.4 Solana that we made is not enough. But again, this video is intended for you guys to learn, for you guys to absorb as much knowledge as possible. The results of this challenge are going to appear on the screen right now. Ethan ended up making more money into this challenge, which is great. I'm really happy for him. But the most important thing is that you learned something. And if you have, please subscribe to my channel. As always, make sure to comment your video ideas. I read all of them. I really hope to see you in the next video. Bye.